To demonstrate DORA compliance and mitigate information and communication technology, or ICT risk, financial entities are encouraged to follow these best practices. 1. Understand the regulation's text and related guidance to grasp ICT risk management mandates. 2. Evaluate ICT infrastructure and operations to identify vulnerabilities and emerging threats. 3. Create tailored risk management frameworks with policies, procedures, and controls to manage ICT risks. 4. Implement firewalls, malware protection, access controls, encryption, and incident response plans to minimize potential ICT threats. 5. Implement targeted cybersecurity measures such as multi-factor authentication, network segmentation, intrusion detection, and employee training. 6. Engage with regulatory bodies to seek clarity, offer insights, and align operational practices with DORA and other regulations. 7. Implement a dynamic process for evaluating and refining risk management strategies to maintain robust and relevant practices. To learn more about ICT risk mitigation and DORA compliance, please visit kiteworks.com.